Hello dears, today I am going to solve this example, but first I want to introduce something new. For example, you remove the command line, okay? In case you remove it or you don't have command line, just click Ctrl and 9 to bring it back. Also, you can change the text size here. If you just right click, Option, here we have fonts. You can change its size, for example, to 8. Apply. You see it changes. I change back it to maximum 14. You can change the style, regular or bold. Apply. Okay. First, we have to determine the drawing limit. For drawing limit from format, drawing limit, select 0, 0, enter, again 3000, 3000, enter. Good. Then from view, zoom, all. Great. We have 5.5 and 2.5 here. This example shows 5.5 dimension. Here 2.5. Here we have 3 distance and angle is 40. Here 2.5. 2 in y direction. We have 3. Here we have 5 negative y, 1 negative x, and here 1 negative and 0 y. If you look at this image or this drawing, we don't have any idea about this in this example. So I have to start in this direction. From this point in this direction, then you can just combine this point to this. Then it will be the solution. Let's get started. Activate line. Select a pick point anywhere. Okay. Shift it at minus 5.5, 0. Enter. Zoom in. Okay. This time 2.5 in y direction means 0, x is 0 here. X is 0. So come back to AutoCAD. Again, shift at x is 0, comma, y is 2.5 in positive. Enter. Good. This time it is a polar coordinate system. Distance is 3 and angle is 40. Again, come back to AutoCAD. Shift at distance is 3. Insert angle symbol and angle is 40. Enter. Good. Come back to image. This time, in this point to here, we have x is 0, but y is 2. So, shift at 0x, 2. Enter. Great. Again, here we have 2.5 in x direction, positive x, but y equal to 0. So come back to AutoCAD, shift at 2.5x, y is 0, enter. Okay, let me deactivate ortho mode. Next step, I have another point, x is 0, but y equal to 2. So shift at 0, 2. Enter. Okay. Here we have 3 in x direction and 0 in y. So just shift at 3, 0. Enter. Great. Come back to the example. It is a relative coordinate, 5 in y direction, negative 5, and 1 in x direction. So just shift at -1 in x direction and -5 in y direction, then enter. Good. Here, -1 in x direction and y equal to 0. So shift at -1, 0. Great. Now you just have to combine with this one or just C and enter. Now the drawing is completed. If you have any problem with it, let me know in a comment section. If you want to delete, you can delete one by one, for example this one, and delete, or you can select all in this window and delete in your keyboard. Now I want to introduce some other important tools. For example, from draw we have arc from 3 points. Let us enter 3 point. That's arc from 3 point. Another arc, draw arc from start, center and end. Start, center and end. It's up to you. Okay. Another one, start, center, angle. Start, center, you can add angle. For example, 80. You see, that's angle 80. Draw, start, center, length of chord. Start, center and length of chord. Length of chord, for example, 3. Okay. Draw, again arc, start, end angle. Start, end direction. In which direction? Let's see. Start, end, and in this direction or in this direction. It's up to you. You see? Okay. Draw. You can check and use all of them. Center, start, length, continuous. You see, directly it continue from the ending one. This one, then draw, arc, continue. You see how it appears. Great. That's the arc. Regarding the circle, again, we have center and radius. Determine a center from here, and you can determine the radius by specifying on your window or just on your command line, for example, 5. Great. Another circle type, center and diameter. That is diameter. You can directly insert diameter in command line or just on your screen. Specify a location or a distance. Draw, circle, 2 point. This point and this point. Draw, circle, 3 point. Okay. Draw, circle, tan radius. Tan. For example, I want to draw a circle tangent to this one and this one. This one and this one. Circle, for example, 15. Okay? The circle is drawn, but the condition is tangent to this one and this one. Another circle, tan to 3 points. For example, to this one and to this one and to this one. You see the circle tangent for all the points. Okay, now let me generate a line here. Just if I delete this one, delete, escape and select all, then delete. Just activate line here, shift at 160, comma 0. Again, to second point, shift at 0, comma 160. Okay. Again, shift at minus 160, comma 0. Then enter C and enter. Okay, let's practice circle and arcs. From draw, arc, for example, I want to put on the midpoint. So from object snap here, right click, select midpoint. Okay, I select this one as start point, here at center, and this one at end. Great. Again, repeat, right click, repeat, start, center, end. Okay, start, center, and end. Again, right click, repeat, start, center, and end. Right click, repeat, start, center, and end. Okay, for example, I want to combine another circle here or arc. Again, let's be arc. You can do it quickly. Right click, repeat, center, stand. This one, to this. And again, right click, repeat, start, center, end. Okay, right click, repeat, start, center, end. Okay, right click, repeat, start, center, and end. Okay, now for example, you want to trim some part of the circle. Just select it. Okay, then from modify, here I have trim. For example, I just want to delete this part or this part. It's up to you. Trim. Okay, or this one. That's the trim. Good. Okay, now you learn it to use trim. Just escape. Now you can just Control A or select all the window. Then from modify, we have erase or just click delete on your keyboard. Also we have offset. For example, I draw a circle here. Then modify. Here we have offset. Okay. It asks me to specify offset distance. For example, 5. Enter. Select object to offset. For example, this one, but I want outside. Okay. Again, select object to offset this one, and this time to inside. Again, select it to inside. Okay. That's all for today. See you in next lecture. Have a nice time.